Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your MAC address or MAC address on Windows 10. Because currently right now to check what Windows you're running, so type in this computer or this PC and type in properties. With this one, you'll see what kind of Windows you're running. As you can see right here, I'm running Windows 10 Home. And if you're watching this on a MacBook, so please, this is only applicable for Windows OS. Okay? So let's get started right here. The first thing I want you to do is, of course, open this command prompt very quickly, and then just type in get Mac space /v, and you'll have your MAC address right here. So put it a little bit over there, hide it first, and the next one is gonna be to check on your Mac settings or MAC address to change it. Basically, right-click your Windows settings and click on Device Manager. Okay. Now once you're here, I want you to click on Network Adapters. Look for your Wi-Fi adapter right there. For me, this is going to be Realtek. Right-click on it, and then click on Properties. Once you're in Properties, click on Advanced Settings and look for Network Address. Now once you're here, click on Value and just input a new MAC address you want right there. After that, click on OK. Once done, remove that one and then check if your MAC address has been changed by doing the forward get Mac /v again. If it's changed, then you're successful rather on changing your MAC address for Windows 10. Okay, that's how you do it right here. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, goodbye for now.